There's one of the cops.
Please, you don't need to do this!
Sure, we don't need to do this, but that won't stop us. Do you realize how hard it is being a henchman? Listening to orders from a crazy person, following them without question?
Yeah, you think I like being shouted at by that crazy woman?
Exactly. It's hard. Not hard like sitting on your ass eating donuts. That must be real hard.
That's why we like to unwind with a game.
It was gonna be pin the tail on the dead cop, but then we had a better idea.
Pinata time!
Oh God, no! Help!
I wanna see what you've got inside you. And if it ain't candy, I'm gonna be real disappointed.
Please!
Back here! Oh, did he hurt you? Your mother will recognize you when I'm done. You better stay down. Oh, what's wrong? Is he hurting you? You don't stand a chance. Stay down. Oh, what's wrong? Is he hurting you? Oh, did he hurt you? Come on! Get me down! What are you waiting for? Get me down!
You're safe.
Man, am I glad to see you.
What happened? Where are the others?
We were ambushed. They dragged us outside the still mill and beat the crap out of us. These bastards dragged off the others and brought me here.
I'll find them. Wait here. Hide.
You okay? Don't want to talk? No problem. I'll just be waiting here.
This is Vicky Vale live outside the now-condemned Arkham City site, which just weeks after those fateful events that rocked all of Gotham is in chaos once again. Minutes ago, I saw Batman himself talking to Commissioner Gordon of the GCPD. What were they discussing? We're hearing reports that a number of police officers are missing. And looking at the outside of the Arkham buildings, it seems pretty obvious that Harley Quinn is involved somehow. Quinn was moved from Arkham City on the night that her boyfriend, the Joker, died. Psychiatric reports filed to the city indicated that she was, and I'm quoting the examining doctor directly here, losing it big time. Quinn broke out of the temporary holding facility 3 days ago. It appears that her current location is right behind me. Back to the studio.
Leave me alone. Do you hear? Leave me alone. What? I thought I told you just to stop bothering me. That doctor made me see told me to get a little me time. He told me it would help me get over this dream. Are you guys just plain stupid? I said do not disturb!
Harley had him moved. Where?
You know where.
Oh, the secret?
Shut up, you idiot!
What?
No one's supposed to know about it, are they? Think about it. What if someone's listening in on one of them microphone things? Or worse, Batman's listening. You want to be the one to tell Harley you screwed up?
You think Batman's here?
Could be. Who knows?
I don't know. I heard he's gone dark. You know, since Jay died.
Since he killed him, you mean?
You don't know that. And Batman don't kill. Right?
I was there. Batman came walking out of that movie theater carrying the boss.
Look pretty guilty to me.
Harley just broke down. Ain't been the same since.
I still don't think Batman killed him.
Don't matter what you think. Harley's got those cops, and she's all kinds of crazy right now. I'm just happy she's got someone else to take it out on. Know what I mean?
Look out! Batman's here!
Quinn's thugs were talking about the missing cops. If they were here, they may have left some evidence that I can follow.
All units, this is Gordon. As of now, the Arkham
That radio belonged to a cop. There may be evidence around here of where he was taken. I should set up a crime scene.
PD officers must retreat immediately. That's now, people. No heroics, understand? I've lost too many people in that place. SWAT teams have held perimeter positions and exits out to sea being contained. I am not losing anyone else to that water.
Excuse me, Commissioner?
No time, Miss Vale. You, get this reporter moved now.
Is Batman in Arkham City? Hey! Keep your hands to yourself, buddy! What's the secret, Commissioner? What are you trying to hide?
This blood belonged to the cop. I should follow it and see where they took him.
Never liked cops. Hope Harley sticks it to him good.
Doing in here? Guarding this stupid switch? Man, I thought this place was a secret. Who's gonna come in here anyway?
Batman?
Yeah, right. Ain't this thing supposed to be impossible to crack? And anyway, I heard that since Joker died, he's hardly been seen. Figure he's feeling all guilty.
Do you think he killed Joker?
Nah, not his style.
Things change. It's not like they were friends.
True. Still don't answer why we're stuck in here guarding a stupid switch for Quinn.
I like to think we're doing it so she doesn't put a bullet in our heads. Or worse.
That's a good reason.
The Bat's guy!
Tell me how to get through that door, and don't waste time lying. I'll know.
Oh God, Harley gave code cards to the people she trusts most. You need 3 codes to get in. Please, I'll tell you where they are. Just don't hurt me.
I'll do my best.
Cold as hell out here. I don't get the chance to off one of those pigs.
That thug's got the code. I need to leave him until last, so that he tells me what I want to know.
Robin, one of them other do-gooders. I'm sticking up a bullet.
Come on, what's wrong with you?
The code. Give me it, or get ready to hurt.
Here it is. Please, I don't want any trouble.
Too late.
Can't wait to get out of this place once.
That's one code. I need 2 more.
Sick of raising my ass off for this woman. One way or another, those cops are dead.
Give me the code.
Yeah, no problem. See? I'm doing what you wanted.
There was never any doubt in my mind. One more code, and I can break Harley Quinn's security system.
We just get this done and...
The code. Now!
Please don't hurt me. Here it is.
Night-night. That's all the codes. Next stop, Harley Quinn.
I don't get the chance to off one of those pigs.